unjust, sinful, vicious, horrible.
You see it on the screen.
Unjust, sinful, vicious.
Guess who's a new back character in town? Causing mischief in your city, spinning shit around. I smack a nigga with a brick, talking out of place, like I was sniffing paint, lace, flying up out of space. Bourgeois, I put your best to a metamorphosis. I be slaving in my dungeon while I'm eating surface. So bitch, wait. I'm watching pornos with Rome's. We analyze for the astro black shit. Lala got the grass to hit, so we get lit. We commence the astral traveling, grabbing up skin, so we can play a game of javelin. I'm labeled as a bad character. No matter what I do, I'm labeled as a bad character. I'm labeled as a bad character. No matter what I do, I'm labeled as a bad character. I'm labeled as a bad character. Bad character. I'm always looking under some girl's dress with a vest, cause some ducks wanna put me to rest. Now I'm a soldier in the town drinking butterfly snapple. I'm walking around the street passing out poison apples. Now it's time to skip town. Hey yo, the dirty niggas know how I get down. I stab a nigga in the chest with a pitchfork from behind and robs rich folk for making my ancestors eat swine. Y'all niggas coming slower than guns while I'm on the run, the director. I'm labeled as a bad character. Yo, I'm labeled as a bad character. No matter what I do, I'm labeled as a bad character.
I warned you, folks. I warned you, sister. Yes, I'm the new bad character.